Hello, welcome back to my tutorial for the full stack developer series. And this video we will learn about the Swagger library. So this library will help us to create or generating the API list documentation. So this is very helpful for the other developers who are working with the front end because it provides the document for them to understand the API and to find the API that they need. Okay, and when using this library we save too much time for manually write the document for the API list. Alright, so to continue, we can first we need to add the library into the BOM file. So let's run down to the BOM file.xml and click on this one and add the library. Okay, dependency, and for the group ID, organization, string, document, and for the artifact ID, string doc open API, not OpenAI. Okay, and started web MVC UI. Okay, and the last one is the version of the library 2.2.0. Okay, and then click on the synchronize Maven change button to synchronize the project. After finish to alright, we have some problem here. Maybe I type something wrong. String document open API. I'm sorry, starter. Okay, string dot OpenAI starter. Okay. Alright, after we have the library into the external library, now we will do with the code. First, you can create a new package for configuration, or we can work in the DI package. This is a not appropriate package, but I think we can do in this package. Just create a Java class name Swagger configuration, and this one is a configuration. Okay, so you need to put a configuration annotation for this one, and we also provide a bin. Okay, a bin for an open API. Okay, open API from the Swagger, and the methods named custom open API. In this one, we will return a new open API, and we can set in some information for this one, info, with a new info object. And for this object, we can provide some setting, like the title of the documentation. For example, I will put my API doc, and maybe the version of the documentation. Yeah, and maybe the description. Okay, the API documentation for hello world JPA. Okay, you can add more information, but I just add this information. Okay, after we configure the Swagger configuration, we must configure the link to for the document. Okay, so you open the application.properties file and add this configuration string doc API dash docs path equal v1 API docs and string doc Swagger UI path equal the Swagger UI.html. Okay, and then you can rebuild the project. And then run the program by the npm command like this. Okay, after starting the server, we can open the browser and you can go to the link Swagger UI HTML like this. You see we have many API here for the API department, the API for the account. Subscribe to one API. You can see when you expand to see the detail, you can see something like the parameter for the API, the response sample, and you can also try the API SQL. Okay, you can add a param value for the ID, maybe at 4, and SQL again, and see we have the department security with the created day and with the account list here. Okay, and you can also go to the link to see only the this link to see only the JSON like this. This JSON also provide you the document, but in the JSON format. So most of the case we don't use this one, we use this HTML file to see. Alright, I think that's all for this video, and I also provide you a download link in the description to download the this project in case you cannot run the project properly when just typing from the video. You can download this project and run it 100% to run. Okay, alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you.